Welcome to Team Technocrat. Recently, we have fabricated a new project which is called as 3-stage COVID-19 protection system. In this project, we are fabricated a system so that a person when enters in the some places then they have to pass through the 3 stages to protect themselves and protect other people. So let's try to see what are these 3 stages. The 3 stage is as follows. First is thermal screening, second one is full body sanitization, third one is hand sanitization. Basically, the people have to pass through these 3 stages. Now, let's try to understand these 3 stages one by one. Thermal screening. Basically, in the thermal screening, the setup is mounted on the gate, and when the person enters in the gate, then the setup is automatically detected the body temperature of the people, and if the body temperature is above than the benchmark, then they are not allowed to enter in the system, and if their body temperature is below the benchmark, then they are allowed to enter in the system. Now after the thermal screening, then they have to pass with the second stage, which is called as the full body sanitization system. In this system is a fully automatic. When the people enter in the system of full body sanitization, then there is a ultrasonic sensor which basically detect the presence of the any person, and if there is a person in their area and field of view, then it actuated the sanitization on the body, and it is getting actuated at least for 4 to 5 seconds, and after this the person have to pass through the another stage. But in the whole process there is a display on which the information related to the person is provided. So let's try to understand this with the help of some video demonstration. Coming inside the gate, and when he comes in the range of self sanitization, then it gets activated for the 4 seconds. Now let's see it from the front view. This is the gate, and when we enter inside the gate, then there is a nozzle which is used to create, this is a nozzle which is used to create a mist, and this is LCD which gives the information about the body temperature of person. This is a working principle of the full body sanitization system along with the display where we are getting the information of body temperature. Now, as we know that the full body sanitization is not suitable for the hand and the faces, because in this sanitizer we are using a chemical, so it is not suitable for the bodies. So we are usually prefer the full body sanitization on the body where we wear a cloth. Now to sanitize the hand, we are using a different setup which is called as a hand sanitization. In the hand sanitization, it is also automatic where we are using the IR sensor. Basically, when the person put their hand in the range of IR sensor, then the sanitization or soap, whatever we are using, either we can either use a soap or we can use a sanitizer. The IR sensor detect the hand, and after that it actuated the pump to uh, sanitize their hand, and after the hand sanitization the person are now free from the COVID-19. And this is all about this 3 stage COVID-19 protection system. Thank you for watching us, Team Technocrat.